couple of Jeep owners came to the shop the other day.
Wayne.
How are you now?
Good, and you?
Not so bad.
Hi, Katie.
Go home, Daryl.
Nice shirt. What is that? A medium?
You probably wish you fit in a medium.
You better. I think you better.
Better come say that to his face, buddy.
You're doing terrific.
Hey, I heard you entered that giveaway, buddy.
Entered to win a free truck build, didn't you, buddy?
What's it to you?
And we did too, bro.
Ain't that a real kick in the knackers, bro?
And that's a real ouchie, bro.
Yeah, it's too bad you don't fight anymore, buddy.
Because that's a fight on sight when someone else wins.
Maybe if you'd ever been in a real fight, you might not be so keen for another.
What'd you say? Hold my spitter, bro. Darts off, boys. You looking for a Tilly, buddy? Let's have a Donnybrook.
Pump the brakes. You take your shirt off but leave your sunglasses on?
The shirts are what automatically enter you to win.
You want to win with those shades or play PokerStars.com?
Dude, hold my spitter. Dude, I can't hold your spitter. Hold my spitter. Dude, hold, just put the spitters down.
TikTok.
Go time! Go time!
You guys do CrossFit?
You can cross the frick off.
Cross fart.
Go time!
Shed him.
Riley, Jonesy, put your dang shirts on and get out of here.
This isn't over!
Jinx, you owe me new wheels and tires. It's a hard life making these giveaway videos, but it sure beats having a real job. So that was a fun one to do, but just so you guys know, we're doing a huge giveaway, which is why we keep doing all these funny parody update videos. So if you want to win a complete truck build package from us, we got a way to do that right now. So if you come to the website, customoffsets.com/giveaway, that's where you're going to see this awesome shirt that we just recently designed. You can pick that up and it's going to get you automatically entered to win. So it's any size, any finish wheels from XD KMC. We can get you a lift kit from Ready Lift, Nitto tires, Black Label lighting. We've got labor covered here at Offsets Garage, inside Custom Offsets to build your truck for you. We'll cover the hotel stay, we'll get you a rental car, all of that, all completely free. So if you want to get entered, like I said, coming out to customoffsets.com/giveaway, that's where you'll find the shirt. That gets you automatically entered to win. Plus, at the end of this, we're making a huge contribution to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. We're all super pumped that we can be standing behind them and helping them on their journey to battle childhood cancer and kind of come up with some prevention for all of that and just work on, everybody that goes to St. Jude's leaves with no bill. So we set a goal to raise $20,000 and we are well on our way there. I think we're at like 14 or 15,000 last time I checked. So it's a lot of thanks to you guys who have chipped in extra. So every time you grab a shirt, that's going to help us make that contribution. But if you want to chip in extra, we definitely appreciate everybody that's done so. We got a couple people in the $250, $100, $50 range. We'll take anything. We really do appreciate everybody pitching in extra for the kids. So one last time, customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you find the shirt. That's where you help us make the contribution, and that's where you get entered to win wheels, tires, suspension, lighting, everything. Peace.